I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through the mini haul from the past month or two. I'm going to start off with this box of juice. So I've accidentally opened it wrong. From looking at other people's photos, I actually opened it from the side, so I kind of peeled all the glue off and now I'm unable to put it back in the box. So in the box, this box was some insiders. So this is all fizzy. I think they're fizzy. Are they sparkling? So they're all sparkling. There's 20, I think there's 24 cans. So there's strawberry, the strawberry flavour, peach and cherry, no, strawberry and kiwi, peach and cherry, and then there's pineapple and mango. And then there's also these glasses, and then there's information about how to write up the review for these cans. Can't wait to try probably this one, the mango one. I do quite like mango. Up next is this Nivea cream, which I can't remember where I got this from. In this envelope was this voucher. Oh, it's a £1 voucher. Also some sanitary, some sanitary towels. Also some sanitary towels. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Or they could be used as sanitary towels. Oh. And this is also sanitary towels. And a 50p off hack voucher. So in this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sanitary towels. This was from Debenhams Beauty Club box. So it contains this info thing. It's also this envelope thing. It is different lip colours. As well in that was this mascara. And a Chanel illuminating base. Oh, put that there. From the Glamour Club was this perfume sample. Oh, cannot open it. Sample looks like. Another perfume sample, what just fell out. This is the perfume sample that was inside of this. Oh. Another perfume sample, so there's two. And one's male and one's female. I'm trying to do it quickly because my camera's gonna go flat. In town they were giving away these 2 free bottles, which has information of how to use it. Example, these are damage control dry shampoo that you just spray on your hair. It's Batiste. So 2 cans. So one's for volume and then one's for damage control. I believe this could have been soap post. I can't quite remember. So this is Origins Drink Up Intensive. It's a hydrating mask. And then a 15% off code if anyone would like to use that. Free food from uni. For example, this free donut, free pizza. And then lastly is this Brainworks Seed and Nut. I think these are some nut bars. So this one is oat, peanut and berry, and then that one is seed and nut. These are some of the free stuff from the past 2 months. I'm going to be doing a review video of these flavours soon, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. And please do stay tuned for this review video. Trying out those flavours and some ASMR opening of the cans. Thank you for watching, and please do comment below what's your favourite freebie from this video or what you got this month. Thank you for watching.